Hi, my name is Roscoe Hurry. I'm one of the owners of Western Roofing Systems. We're located in Campbell, California. We service all of Santa Clara County, all the way from Gilroy, Morgan Hill, up to the Southern Peninsula, Redwood City, San Mateo. Here at Western Roofing Systems, we're a full-service roofing company. We could do anything from a small repair to a full replacement. We work with gutters and skylights as well. We're specialized in asphalt shingle, flat roofing, and stone-coated steel. Stone-coated steel is a pressed stone-coated panel. Asphalt shingle is a common roof you'll see with most of your neighbors, and then flat roofs, there's different materials depending on pitch and slope. We're also certified by Malarkey, CertainTeed, and Duralast. So regardless of what you need with your roof, I'm sure we could help you. Western Roofing Systems originally started in 2004. It was founded and started by Mike Linneberg, who is my business partner today. I've worked at Western Roofing Systems for almost 10 years. I've done sales, install, then sales manager, and then eventually partnered up with Mike. We've been around for over 20 years, and we've always kind of kept it to 2 to 3 crews maximum. We really like to focus on just doing 2 to 3 jobs a week and not being spread too thin, and making sure quality stays at where it needs to be. So we're a smaller, almost family business that really specializes in quality and customer service first. Western Roofing Systems, we're just a roofing company, but we want to make sure overall everything with the job and the customer's home is in good quality. So we had a job that we worked on last week where my installer walking around the house actually smelt a gas leak and then went down and located the gas leak. We called the fire department, they shut off the gas, and then we helped her find a plumber to fix the leak, and it actually ended up being a pretty big leak. So not only did we do a great roof for her, but the customer was extremely happy because we potentially prevented something disastrous from happening. And that customer was so happy she actually referred us to the neighbor, and we still, we kind of joke around about the gas leak today. When you have any roofing needs, whether it's a small repair or a full replacement, give us a call. It's a free estimate. We'll treat you like family, and we service all the way from Gilroy all the way up to San Mateo. So no matter how big or small the project, we're happy to take a look at it or give you advice or opinions. The call's free. Call us anytime.